Welcome back to Built by Apes. It's been a while since the last video of the E46. But right now, it's been painted emerald green and we're gonna Itasha wrap it. On top of that, we would like to say thank you to our friend Yanto from Garasi 57 who had restored our headlights to its prime condition. Before we start doing the wrap, first of all, there is something that we would like you to know. It's been a while since our last upload. Back then, this channel was quiet, almost forgotten. We had around 2,000 subscribers, and honestly, we didn't expect much after going inactive. But when we came back to check, something crazy happened. The number didn't drop, it actually went up from 2,000 to 2,970. Almost 3,000 subscribers without a single new video. It's like the channel grew up magically. People are still watching, still liking, and still talking about him. And that's what really hit us. Even when we weren't uploading, you guys didn't forget. And that's the reason why we're reviving this channel. We want to bring it back. Better, louder, and more creative than before. We've got new plans, new builds, and yes, new Itasha projects coming soon. If you liked what we did with the Mazda, the E46, and all of the cars that we have touched before, just wait till you see what's next. So to everyone who stuck around, who watched, liked, and commented even when we were gone, thank you. Sincerely, thank you. You are the reason this channel's coming back. Stay tuned, and let's see what cars will turn into Itasha next. For the left side Itasha, we have a massive piece of lamp drawing. We start by positioning it according to the mock-up and spraying water underneath, allowing us to readjust the sticker once it is applied. After the position is set, we can start squeezing out the water and set the stickers neatly. For the door handle, we trim the sticker so it can be tucked underneath. Let's switch to the right side. We just have to repeat the process. At this point, the entire first layer has already been installed. Now it's time to put our sponsors and do some touch-up.
So that's it for today. We just finished wrapping up the E46, and the unique thing about this is actually the left side and the right side is different. Let me show you. On this side, we are focusing more on the character, with Lum on the rear door and her big face on the front door. On the other side, we are going with a simpler design, with Lum's full body drawing and more details on the background. Which one do you guys prefer? Comment down below so we can see it. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye! For those of you who have been living under a rock, Comic 421 is coming this November from the 15th to the 16th. Built by Apes will be at booth B17 and B18. Hopefully we can see you there because we have a special promo for you right here. And don't miss it.